Congratulations, you're using the best self-study CPE site online, rated 4.9 out of 5 stars by thousands of our CPAs. My name is Tad Stevens, and as the director of CPEthink.com, I know you're busy. I'm going to be thorough and concise reviewing today's course. This video will be quick, and if you stick around, I'll give you a coupon to get some CPE on us just for watching. First, a quick intro video, and then we'll get to it. Today, I want to talk about 10 productive Excel features for accountants and 3 time wasters, a CPE course by David Ringstrom, who is a CPA and a Microsoft Excel expert. The course is 1.0 credits. It is $14.95, 70% to pass. It's a video-based course. It's NASBA QAS, and also it's a text-based course as well, and NASBA registry. It is in the computer software and applications field of study. And the description is, in this accounting Excel video, Excel expert David H Ringstrom, CPA, cherry picks 10 of the best features in Excel that can make accountants more productive. He also will share 3 common time wasters that can frustrate accountants and heavy users of Excel. You'll learn about 2 key worksheet functions, the benefits of the table feature, pivot tables for report writing, and managing information overload by filtering. Tame unwieldy workbooks by instantly unhiding all hidden worksheets and then deploying Excel's custom views feature to enable you to unhide multiple worksheets at once. You'll see how to build some insurance against Excel crashes and quickly identify duplicates within a list. David will also discuss 3 common time wasters or functions that are in Excel. This course was first released in 2019. It was updated May 30th of 2021, so it is up to date. It is QAS self-study, and after the completion of this course, the user will be able to define the arguments used with the VLOOKUP function, recall the benefits of the Excel table feature, state which conditional formatting menu contains the duplicate values option. It has 1 chapter, and if you have any questions, just open a chat down here at the lower right by clicking this icon. To purchase this course, just click the Add to Cart button, and then you will be prompted up here to check out with 1 item in your cart, or if you have a subscription, you can just add this to your account automatically. I hope you like this video. If you'd like more, tap or click subscribe and the bell. Leave a comment or a question, and let us know what you think. We reply to all of them. Remember that promise I made at the beginning? How about free CPE just for watching? Go to CPEthink.com/video3. That's CPEthink.com/video3. Use the $15 one-time use coupon code that you see on that page. It's good for courses and unlimited subscriptions. That means over 100 CPE credit courses to choose from for free. See you in the next video.